Alright, good morning traders. This is your free video from seasonalswingtrader.com. This morning the markets are up sharply, up 15 points or a little over 0.5% on the E-mini S&P, trading up 15 points at 23.85. This is on the heels of yesterday's huge gap open on the Globex Open, finishing up 25 points or so on the ES, looking like we're targeting the 2400 area. Today's free video is going to focus on OXY, OXY, or Occidental Petroleum, an oil stock here that has shown bullish seasonal bias over the next 6 weeks. It's historically risen 3.5% over 33 years of stock performance. And if we were look to hold out over 8 weeks, or approximately 2 months worth of trading, it has historically risen 4.5%. So with that being said, let's take a look here at the stock. You can see we've been beaten down pretty good ever since mid-December here around the 72 half level. We've come all the way down to around $61, $62, and you can see we've paused here at this level. So how do we translate that when we're looking to get in on the long side? Well, one of the first things I like to do is draw a simple Fibonacci retracement from the 52-week high and a 52-week low, and give us some simple plotting of Fibonacci here so I can see where the 50% retracement level is. Most importantly, you can see we've traded back below this smaller trend line break here, as well as the 618. We're kind of hanging out here at $62 and some change. But what I like to do is go back and see we're kind of drifting around here in no man's land, and I want to see if there's any past instances of being at this price action in the past. Well, right now you can see, back in March we came down here, we held this low, we did not take it out, which is one sign that we could be turning here. But if we go back even further, we can see we don't really see anything. We see last major support here in this area, but not down here at this area. So right now, this level is fairly insignificant to me because it's telling me that we have the possibility of going lower. Right now, we're below all the averages. We're trading lower when the market has been higher. So one of the exercises we want to do is go back even further in time and see if there's been any past sticking points at this level to give us further validation that this is indeed support. So what we do is we just go back and we tighten up the charts here, the history, and we can see, okay, we can see that we stopped here back in December of 2015, right at these levels here at 61.50. You can see we had penetration down move here and again here. We go back again even further here into, we'll call it July, August, and September of 15. We didn't quite have the solid support that stands out, but you can see that we did have a bit of price action here, a little bit of pause. Something around this area here caused this market to turn. You can see we came down here, higher. We came down here, higher. We came down here again, exploded higher. Again here, higher. We came down, we broke through, traded a little bit lower on this move right here. But you can see that overall the point is right around this 61.5 to 62 level, going back in time has been a good turning point for OXY. So seeing those areas going back in time along with the bullish seasonal bias to the upside lends me to think that we can go ahead and establish lower risk positions to take advantage of the upside. Now, more conservative traders may want to wait and see if we can cleanly take out this area here, or possibly even trade back above the 618. Now, we would give up some gains up along this level, but preferably or ideally we want to see some clean closes up above this level and even perhaps above this level here. We'd also like to see our momentum oscillators, MACD and so forth, turning higher, turning positive, turning green. And that would give us further credence that, hey, this thing may turn around, we may turn this ship around and go back higher. Now, if that happens, our first targets would be up here at the 50% retracement level, followed by the 200-day or 382 right around here in the 67.5 to 68 level. So hope it helps, and we'll see you on the next update. Traders, like what you see, want more trade ideas each week? Take a $7 30-day complete member access trial by clicking the link below. You'll have immediate access to analysis and seasonal trade ideas on over 35 commodity and currency futures markets, as well as coverage on all of the major stocks, exchanges, and ETFs in the U.S. marketplace. If you like us, follow us on Twitter and Facebook, like us on YouTube, and we hope to see you on the inside.